Okay, we're gonna go see Brody eating his French bread. He loves it so much, he's been singing to it. Oh, don't you stop now that I'm looking at you. Are you singing to your French bread? He's teething really bad right now. And my mama always said to give the end of the piece of French bread to the babies, and they love it, and he does. It's much less messy than one of those teething biscuits. Brody, is that num num? So good. And what are you drinking? You drinking some apple juice too? Such a big boy. Oh, I think that's a do face. Oh no, I've got do face on camera. You're not supposed to do while you're eating French bread. Aww. If only we could smell with the new HD camera.